pathetic waste! You've been number one for too long, Sullivan. Now your time is up. And don't worry, I'll take good care of the kid.
No!
Go!
She's not scared of you anymore. Looks like you're out of a job.
All right, come on, over the plate. Let's see the old stuff here, pal. Come on now, chuck 'em, baby. Hump,
Please,
baby,
don't,
hump,
no,
baby.
no.
Hands
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we can share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
No, no, no.